back to my channel. This is MidWest Momma. It is Thursday, which means that it is my Target day. Yeah, I am excited to start the day, this video. Hope you guys are all doing well. I did not have many videos this week. It's cookie season for Girl Scouts, and I'm a cookie co-leader, which means I'm very busy. So yeah, so stay tuned for my hauls. I plan on going to Target, Meijer, and Sam's Club, maybe even Aldi. I'm not really sure. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, I am back home from Target. I spent $3.28. I know, guys. But I did have to get some Valentine's gifts, you know, and I needed some makeup, and I bought myself some earrings because it's my birthday on Tuesday. So anyways, I am doing a coffee date with my best friends tomorrow. So I picked up some glazed donuts and these iced lemon slice cakes because I know if I take it home, like, definitely my husband or maybe even me and my oldest might eat them. So yeah. I bought some Bertolli garlic Alfredo sauce. They were 2 for $5. So that was pretty, I think, a decent price, maybe, kind of. I got 2 TV dinners, the grilled chicken and broccoli Alfredo. I'm kind of into those again. Got my wee strawberry yogurt, and this was the last package. So I was kind of happy. For Kayla's masquerade ball, I got her some just knee highs, thinking maybe, I don't know, I know she bought heels. We like thrifted these heels, so I figured like maybe she could just wear knee highs, and then if she wants to wear her new Converse under her dress, because you know that's like a thing, then she can just wear regular, you know, socks. But I got this just in case. I did pick up these socks for Valentine's Day for my oldest because it just kind of screamed her name at me. So I got 2 zero sugar coffee mates. They were 2 for $7. Normally they're about like $4 each. So a little bit of a save there. This was expensive. So I want to start like doing more like protein or drinking protein, eating, whatever. And I got this Core Power Elite chocolate with 42 grams of protein. It was like $5. So I don't know if I can somehow find this like cheaper in bulk, but I wanted to try it. Got my oldest her bars that she likes, the dark chocolatey peanut butter. Of course, I got their pimple patches. I am putting together my best friends like Valentine's little gifts for tomorrow. And so I found these cherry foot masks, and it's funny because I was like, oh, maybe I'll get myself one. But it only goes to size 9, and I have size 11. So my best friends will be fine because they have smaller feet than I do. These are the earrings that I bought. Obviously, they're fake, but they're pretty, and they were like $20. I needed some rinse aid for the dishwasher. My husband wanted a deodorant. He said to get this brand, but pick out the scent that I like. So I liked that one. And we weren't sure if my son needed body wash, but we got it for him anyways. Picked up 3 sanitizers. I know I can get like a big one and like squeeze it into other bottles, but I'm lazy for that. So here we go. Needed some small garbage bags. So I got the Glad, and it's in the Beachside Breeze. I want the pink bags, but those are for 8 gallons and I don't need that big of one. So I just got the 4-gallon ones. So I got this for my eyebrow because that's what I normally use. But then I saw this stuff. It's NYX, and literally, you know, you use one side and then you shade it for your eyebrows. And I don't know, I'm always up for trying new things. So we'll see. My sister-in-law's birthday is coming up, so I remembered to get a birthday card. Panty liners. This is the book that I picked out. I'm almost done with Pen Pal. And I do have like 2 others to read, but I've been eyeing this one. And so yeah, it's called The Wicked. It's a Mafia King book, and I definitely like those kinds of books. So I'm going to show this here so you can read it. Pause it. And then this is the other part. Pause it and read it. But I am into like dark romance, erotic type of books. If you know, you know. Paper plates, and I got this for my youngest for Valentine's Day. Down here, I got a big thing of Charmin because we were almost out, and I just decided to get it now instead of at Sam's. And then Viva paper towels. I got a small package of my husband's lunch meat that he likes. some Downy Gentle in Ocean Mist scent, 3 bags of the steamed cauliflower, 2 kettle cooked sea salt potato chips for my oldest, 1 package of hash browns. I feel like she's kind of getting a little bit sick of them, so I just got 4 cans of French style green beans, and a spray butter. So that was all. My phone looks really dirty. Oh my gosh, look at that. So that was what I bought at Target. I need to make some meal plans up. I have no clue what we're eating. So yeah, so stay tuned for those hauls. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, I am here with my Sam's Club haul. We kind of did it before our little Valentine's Day date. I spent $164 and some change. I got 2 boxes of Little Bites, a package of strawberries and gigantic green globe grapes, 2 packages of organic chicken wings. Thought just with some butter and garlic in the oven would be good. You can see these are boneless pork chops. Let's see, what were they? They were $9. So yeah, this would feed just, you know, our family of 5. And then the chicken was $7.47 and $7.43. And then this is what my husband's going to barbecue on Sunday for $15.20. I did get a bag of the Just Bare lightly breaded chicken strips, 1% milk, and we did need coffee, provolone cheese, a 24 count of eggs, flushable wipes, and that is, oh wait, nope. I got 2 things of clothes. I got this cute outfit for my grandbaby. Isn't it so cute? And then my daughter some shorts. That all cost $164. Stay tuned for my Meijer haul. I have no clue when I am getting it. I have a busy weekend with Girl Scout booths and whatnot. And you can tell by my eyes, I am super, super tired and I'm heading for a nap. So stay tuned for that Meijer haul. Okay, I finally did my Meijer haul, and it's on my birthday. Today I turned 44, so it's been a busy day. I spent $209 and some change. Some of the groceries are things that we don't normally buy. That's because they're for my bonus daughter, so just keep that in mind. So I got some Meijer Golden Round crackers, 2 things of broccoli, 2 of fat-free half and half, and I got a big thing of sugar-free zero hazelnut, 2 of these Campbell's tomato soups, 2 cans of whole green beans, 2 flavored with meat pasta sauces, and then I got 2 of the chunky 3 cheese pasta sauce, 2 golden sweet corn cans, and then 2 cut green beans, 2 cans of it. I got some organic bananas, 4 Granny Smith apples. I got red grapes and green grapes, a bag of jasmine rice, some turkey breast, honey roasted, a bag of Doritos, original Ripple Meijer brand. They were buy 2 get 1 free of the popcorners. So my son and my oldest like that. So I got 3 bags of the white cheddar flavored, 3 sour cream and onion stacked chips, a Honey Nut Cheerios, got a bag of Utz back there, 2 of the Meijer Texas Toast garlic breads, baby food. So this is where you see, this is for my grandbaby. So I got a thing of oatmeal cereal. He's 6 months and he's eaten. So I got 2 butternut squash, 2 green beans, 2 sweet potato, and then there's rice cereal back here. And then I got some banana rice rucks. I think they're like for teething and stuff, I think. Sourdough nibbler pretzels. Did I kick a cat? Yes, I did. Charlie, move, please. I got some pastas. 2 are gluten-free. I got penne and fusilli. I got mini penne and then cavatappi. And then I got a gluten-free spaghetti. 1 cheddar broccoli rice-a-roni. 1 gallon of 1% milk. I wanted a big bag of Sun Chips, so I just grabbed these 2 small bags when we were checking out. I got a bag of sweet potatoes, and then I got 2 containers of the My First fruits, and it has banana, pear, and apple. 2 of, I got smashed here, 2 of my herb roasted chicken TV dinners, some cheddar slices. I got a family pack of chicken breast, and then I got 8 total pork steaks, some Italian bread. I was looking for the ready slice because I'm lazy, but it looks like I'm gonna have to slice them myself. And I got chicken breast strips, Hawaiian bread, and I think that was it. That concludes all of my hauls for this payday. It's on me, babe. And so I hope you enjoy my hauls. Sorry that videos have been non-existent. It's cookie season. I'm very, very busy. So I hope to have a organized Tuesday video out the following week. So just bear with me, guys. But hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys later. Bye.